In recent years, Dubai has become a thriving international trade center and is an attractive destination for businesses looking to expand their market reach. Exporting to Dubai means that there is a wealth of opportunity here, but it requires careful planning and understanding of the local business environment. This video will go into detail on how to export and import in Dubai, so remember to subscribe to our account and like this video, it's very helpful. Before diving into the export process, it is vital to conduct thorough market research to understand the business environment in Dubai. Dubai is part of the United Arab Emirates and boasts a strategic location, world-class infrastructure, and a diversified economy. Familiarize yourself with the local culture, business practices, and legal requirements to tailor your approach accordingly. If you want to export to Dubai, the first and most important thing is to find buyers in this country. In Tendata Import/Export data, all you need to do is enter the name of your product and you can easily find what you are looking for. For example, enter the name of LED, click search, and then filter the country Dubai. Here the importer is the customer you want. If you'd like to try out the Tendata Customs Import/Export data system, check out the contact information below the video. You'll get a free online demo. Starting an import-export business in Dubai is very simple. There are a few key steps to follow before getting started. 1. Register your company with the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry. The Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry is a government organization that provides services and support to businesses in Dubai. One of the services they offer is company registration. To register your company with the Dubai Chamber of Commerce and Industry, a business must first apply by submitting the required documents. 2. Obtaining a trade license from the Department of Economic Development, DED. The Dubai Department of Economic Development, DED, offers various trade licenses depending on the type of business activity. The first step in conducting business in Dubai is to obtain the required trade license from the DED. 3. Open a bank account in Dubai. To conduct import and export business in the UAE, you must open a bank account in Dubai. A number of banks in Dubai offer services to businesses. When choosing a bank, you should consider factors such as the bank's reputation, the fees associated with the account, and the bank's ability to meet your business needs. 4. Obtain the necessary import and export licenses from the UAE Ministry of Economy. You must register your company with the Ministry of Economy. You must provide company documents, contact information, and bank details. Once your company is registered, you can apply for an import or export license. 5. Find a reputable freight forwarder to help you with the logistics of transportation to and from Dubai. You will need to ensure that the freight forwarder is familiar with customs regulations and transportation requirements to and from Dubai. What products should importers and exporters export to Dubai? Gold and jewelry. Dubai is known for its gold market. Exporting gold jewelry, gemstones, and luxury watches can capitalize on the UAE's keen interest in the precious metal. Electronics and gadgets. Dubai's tech-savvy population has a high demand for the latest electronic devices. Exporting smartphones, laptops, smart home devices, and other gadgets can find a ready market. Cars and auto parts. Dubai's love for luxury automobiles has created a demand for high-end cars and auto parts. Exporting vehicles, accessories, and spare parts can be a lucrative business. Fashion and apparel. Dubai's cosmopolitan nature has made it a fashion hub. Exporting fashion apparel, accessories, and luxury fashion products can cater to a diverse consumer base. Perfumes and cosmetics. Dubai has a thriving beauty and cosmetics market. Exporting perfumes, skincare products, and high-end cosmetics is in line with the UAE's emphasis on personal grooming. Food and beverages. Dubai's diverse population requires diverse food products. Exporting local and international cuisine, specialty snacks, and beverages can find a popular market. Construction and building materials. Ongoing construction projects in Dubai create a demand for building materials. Exporting construction equipment, materials, and sustainable building solutions aligns with the city's infrastructure development. Medical equipment and pharmaceuticals. Dubai has a growing healthcare sector. Exporting medical equipment, pharmaceuticals, and healthcare products caters to the Emirates' focus on health and well-being. Luxury home decor and furniture. Dubai's real estate boom has increased the demand for high-end home decor. Exporting luxury furniture, home accessories, and interior design products could be a lucrative niche market. Halal food. Due to the large Muslim population, there is a high demand for halal-certified food products. Exporting halal meats, processed foods, and snacks is in line with cultural preferences. What are your thoughts or difficulties with import-export trade in Dubai? Feel free to drop us a line in the comments section.